Senior Shenanigans at Potato Creek. And this is Cherry Cobbler that we made. Come here and check this out. In the old cast iron. Look at that.
Let's see.
Don't that look good?
Ooh. Oh yeah. It's not done yet, is it?
Oh yeah.
What?
It's done.
Oh.
I mean, if you want it more brown.
See, you're doing good.
There you go. Look at that.
Yeah.
Just like a pan.
Go ahead, poke around on it. Let's see.
Poke that baby. Not in the center. American Pie, you know. Oh.
Ah.
Oh yeah. Look at that. That looks good. That turned out nice.
Is that cherry?
We love our Dutch
Hey.
oven. You could do all kinds of stuff with it.
They love their Dutch oven.
Yeah,
It is nice.
wonderful.
It
Oh,
does. It
that's
works
gonna
great.
have to cool like big time.
Okay.
But I just want to show you that. Peace.
Peace out. Oh, what?
See ya.
Yeah.